This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Teko installs 103 kilowatt CO2 rack in challenging retrofit for Rewe supermarket in Germany. By Christina Hayes. Published August 11, 2025. German refrigeration manufacturer Teko has detailed the installation of a 103 kilowatt, 29.3 ton refrigeration capacity CO2 booster system for a challenging refurbishment project at a 2,220 square meters, 23,680 square feet, Rewe supermarket in the Lindenhof district of Mannheim, Germany. The project presented unique challenges due to the store's urban location, nestled beneath a senior living home and flanked by residential buildings, just 10 meters, 33 feet away. This demanded minimal noise from the new refrigeration system and a space-conscious solution that maintained full store operations throughout the 11-week renovation. One of the most significant hurdles was installing the system's radial gas cooler, which, due to space and architectural restrictions, could not be mounted outside. The project team was also not permitted to alter the building's envelope. Instead, engineers from Teko and installation partner Koch Kälteanlagenbau decided to install the cooler in the building's basement with a ducted exhaust system to expel warm air. This setup not only met acoustic and spatial demands, but also resulted in improved energy performance due to the lower ambient temperature of the basement, reducing energy consumption. This project proves what's possible when experience, technology, and teamwork converge, Teko said in a LinkedIn post about the project. Future-proof refrigeration. The new Roxt Zamart CO2 rack has replaced the supermarket's 15-year-old R134AEA/CO2 cascade system, also manufactured by Teko. The store's previous system contained 200 kilograms of R134A, which has a 100-year GWP of 1,530 and a 20-year GWP of 4,140. For Rewe, this means future-proof refrigeration, whisper-quiet operation, and maximum energy efficiency, explained Teko. The new system offers a cooling capacity of 79 kilowatts, 22.5 tons of refrigeration, for medium temperature, MT applications, and 24 kilowatts, 6.8 tons of refrigeration, for low temperature, LT demands. It supports 60 meters, 197 feet, of MT refrigerated cabinets, 20 meters, 66 feet of service counter, 40 meters, 131 feet of LT freezer cabinets, 6 MT cold rooms, and 2 LT rooms. As part of the remodel, closed-door cabinets were also installed to further improve energy efficiency. Alongside the CO2 rack and gas cooler, the project included the installation of 4 EC fans and 6 white line evaporators, which serve the store's 8 cold rooms. The system has been fully operational since October of 2024 and is reportedly achieving a temperature delta of 3 degrees Celsius, 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to ambient conditions, an outstanding value for this type of installation, according to Teko.